I'm Dr. Sadove and welcome to the Acne Scar Center. The question for today is, what kind of anesthesia do we use for acne scar treatment? Well, everyone does just fine with local anesthesia. This isn't something that we go to the operating room for and have a general anesthetic. I understand that everyone has anxiety with the procedure. Everybody's afraid about pain, and we share that, we understand that, and we do everything we can to make the procedure as comfortable as possible. But that doesn't mean that we have to go to the operating room and have a general anesthetic. It's really not needed. Patients do very well with local anesthesia. However, we are ready and able to give you a little bit of oral sedation, and it's recommended as long as you come with someone who can drive. Oral sedation does really well to take the edge off. It doesn't make you fall asleep. It doesn't change your level of consciousness, but everybody feels much more calm, less afraid, and the process of having the local anesthesia is much more comfortable when you do allow us to give you a short-acting, light sedative pill to help you through the process. We use what are called also facial nerve blocks. Just like a dentist would, we put a numbing gel on the mucosa inside underneath your lip. Then there's a very fine needle. You don't really feel that needle. There is a little discomfort initially with the injection of the local anesthesia. And then this entire area of your central face, if this is where your treatment is completely numb. It works really well. That's called a nerve block. The fancy doctor name is infraorbital nerve block. Those work really well when you have problems down in your lower lip. We do that with a nerve block down here. If it's a forehead problem, we can put a nerve block here for what are called supraorbital nerves. Those work great. The one place where they don't work is over on the sides of the face. Over in this area, we inject local anesthesia underneath the skin so that you don't feel anything. This isn't a place for just creams to put on top of the skin. That really doesn't do the job. All that does is affect the feeling of a needle stick. And the acne scar treatments that we do are much more substantial, and they require some anesthesia in order to assure that the treatment is comfortable for you. And we do that. We make sure it's comfortable for you. So thanks very much for listening to this portion on anesthesia for acne scar.